farted again.
I got that on video, you nasty freak.
I'm gonna make you walk home if you keep like talking to me like this. Like you're being very disrespectful right now.
Get ready with us in a 10.
I'm already ready though. She's only getting ready.
Cheers.
Oh, is that eyebrows?
Yeah.
When we went to Chapel Coffee, I got a sticker too.
It's the best coffee shop. Izzy's about to be up. We had to stay here till like 1 or something. It's 12 right now.
Might go to the beach because we're gonna probably go shopping, and if we find cute bathing suits, we're gonna go. So just be freezing.
True. Yeah, I know you guys are fine with that. I'm such a baby.
But yeah, no, when we went surfing that one time,
That was
it was
insane.
probably like 30 degrees. We were both wearing wetsuits, but you best believe I was shivering. And then our surfboard literally broke, so
Really?
we surfed for like an hour.
That's
and
a long time. So. Izzy got us a
this
sandwich.
this is actually my job.
We're about to go get matcha. What was the matcha place called?
Keep coffee.
We're going to Keep Coffee to get matcha. We saw this matcha place on Instagram. It looks really good, so we're gonna get it. No, it says close. There's no way. The matcha place was dumb. I was trying to find parking. Everyone was being so rude, so we did not get matcha. But
They were gonna tow her car because they didn't have parking there. It was kind of.
and I was like, girl, please don't tow me. So yeah, we're going. I looked for parking for like 15 minutes. And so yeah, we're trying to find something else to do. It's stinky out here. Those were the best sandwiches ever.
Those are really good.
Yeah. Rubicon's Deli in San Diego.
They also have gluten-free bread.
For gluten-free bitches.
Apparently.
It was good as fuck. And the staff was cool. They laughed at our jokes. He thought it was so funny.
I think
probably.
he gave you guys a free cookie.
Because we sluts. Anyways, we're going to Mission Beach now because my coworker said him and his girlfriend go and recommended it. So thank you, Evan. He's definitely not going to watch this.
Thanks, Evan. My seat is heated and it's really hot right now.
Bitch, turn it down then.
I don't know how to use this shit.
She's driving. Yeah,
I got it.
See, you didn't even try. You're over here complaining. Wait, get a video of that. You gotta be looking for the views now.
I got it.
Are you complaining and shit?
I think that guy.
We made it, guys.
Izzy's about to climb this tree.
Oh,
Ew, that girl's fit as fuck.
she is. She's muscular. Well, that is a cool park. Are you okay?
Hold a muscle. I just farted.
I got that on video, you nasty freak. We're at Beaumont Park.
I don't think we're gonna ride any of the rides.
We're gonna ride the ride. It was $8, so Ava's
Izzy-
super excited.
Izzy hyped it up, and if it's bad, I might have to throw a tantrum.
She like really did hype it up a lot though.
Ride was so much fun. Insert clip of Sarah. It's only $8.
I give it 5 big booms. Now we're walking the beach. We can do that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, actually that would look really pretty. We were shopping around a little bit and now we're gonna go get some matcha. This is your sign to go have a girls' day. Go get some matcha with your friends. Go to the beach. Do something that makes you happy. We're about to get matcha.